Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we have a new Nerf gun to unbox right here on Abners Reviews. So here we go guys with our Nerf gun for today. This is the Nerf N-Strike Glowshot right here. So
Perfect.
This one is a smaller Nerf gun compared to the normal Nerf guns which we are reviewing on our channel. So here's our Nerf gun right here. Of course, the Nerf logo right there. It is for ages 8 and up. It comes with 3X Elite darts right there. Of course, our N-Strike and Hasbro branding right there on the corner. And that is how our Nerf N-Strike Glowshot looks like right there.
Perfect.
So let's continue with our unboxing. So here's what we got from our package right there. We have some user manual for our Glowshot right here.
Perfect.
We have 3 N-Strike Elite darts right here included on the package. And this is our Nerf Glowshot right here. So as you can see, we have a green and orange combination for our Nerf gun for today.
Perfect.
And some dark green right here for that part on the grip right there. So we have the Nerf branding right there, and just on top is the branding for our Nerf gun. So this is our gun grip right here, and this is our orange trigger. So this is our barrel right here. It's transparent on this part right here, where we can see the spring right there. So that's the mechanism that launches our darts. And right here, I believe, is how we prime this Nerf gun right here. There's a space right here for your finger, so you can hook onto it and put it backwards to arm or prime our Nerf gun right here.
Perfect.
Why is it called Glowshot? Because this Nerf gun lights up using this button right here. You'll squeeze on this button evidently when you fire the Nerf gun, hence lighting up our Nerf gun when we fire. Right there. So of course, this would have a battery compartment because we have to power up our lights, right? So underneath right here is a single screw which will reveal our battery compartment. So this is our battery compartment right here.
Perfect.
So what we need to power up our Nerf Glowshot right here, 2 AAA batteries. So if we click on this button right here, we should see the glow from our Nerf gun. Right there. So every time you are going to fire a dart, you should effectively be turning on the LED right there. So this Nerf gun is a single shot, so you have to reload the dart right here directly on the barrel. There you go. So to prime or arm our Nerf gun right here, all you have to do is pull this lever right here and put it back, like so. And there you go. Now our Nerf Glowshot is loaded and primed right here.
Perfect.
Ready to fire. So as far as size goes, From the back to the barrel, that is 14.5 cm right there. Perfect. From top to bottom, that is 12 cm right there. So all we need to do is do a firing session for our NERF Glowshot right here. So let's do our firing session right now. So there you go, guys, with our NERF N-Strike Glowshot right here. So as you have seen, it really also does pack a punch in terms of the velocity that this Nerf gun releases our darts right there, basing our conclusion from our firing session right there. So this one is really a portable Nerf gun for me. And it's, although you would think that it is hard to use because you will have to reload every time you want to fire directly on the barrel of the Nerf gun, it wasn't a problem really for me. It was quick, and when you get used to it, it would really no longer matter as long as you have Nerf darts to reload your Nerf gun right there. This really do pack a punch, not to mention our glow light right there. Wow. So that also is an added bonus to the sensation of firing our NERF Glowshot right here. So I hope you like our Nerf gun for today, and thank you for watching our video. So which Nerf guns do you use on a daily basis? Which ones are in your collection right now? And which one is your favorite? Please share with us, guys, and comment down below. So please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link right here and on our video description. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our new unboxing for Nerf guns on Abners Reviews, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.